Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will do an exercise. In this, we will just import and adjust some media according to yourself and just make a simple video so that you get an idea of how you can make a simple video in After Effects. And we have also a recap of our basic section. So basically, what we do is let me remove these layers first, then we already have this composition. So we won't change this. I have this video. So let me import this quickly. Here you can see our video, which I have imported. Just drag and drop it here in the layers panel. You can see that there is a problem that the video is not matching with the composition. So to match this with the composition, what we have to do is we can see that our video is in 4K. So we will increase the size of the composition by creating a new composition. So basically just drag this video and drop it to the new composition. Now you can see that our composition is created. Let me change the composition name and change it to comp2. And then to organize it, just drag and drop comp2 to the comps folder. Now you can see that the girl is sitting way far. And there is an empty space in the right. Let me load this clip. It takes time because the clip is in the 4K, the girl sitting in the place. And there is an empty space. So if you want to zoom in a little bit, just go to the scale option in the layer. Then just zoom in a little bit and adjust it according to yourself. Now it looks better than before. Now you can see that there is not much empty space left. So this is how you can adjust your videos. So if I want to make a cut in the video, for example, I will make a cut here at the 6th second. We will make a cut where girl adjusts its hair. I will just make a cut here. Ctrl plus, Shift plus, T. And simply you can delete the first layer and shift the layer to the start. Now our video starts from here. So this is how you can chop the video. So in this topic, I will give you a quick revision about our basic section. In this exercise, there is not much to do. I will give you a recap again about the hand tool. Here is hand tool. You can adjust the video preview according to yourself with the help of hand tool. And if you want to zoom in a little bit, you can zoom it with the zoom tool like this. So this is how it works. I already told you about the other thing previously. So in the next topic, we will jump into the shapes and solid. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.